in the basement and sawdust on the ground. There's music in the afternoon and smiles all around. There's something about that country home, that crisp clean mountain air. No matter how far I roam, I always find my way back there, where there's bullets on the kitchen table, coffee in my cup. There's a dirt bike out in the garage, that's just where I grew up. There's chopped wood in the basement and sawdust on the ground. There's music in the afternoon and smiles all around. Where your neighbor is your family, there's always food to share. Where it's a place to let it be, now show me that you care about that chocolate on the kitchen table, coffee in my cup. There's a dirt bike out in the garage, that's just where I grew up. There's chopped wood in the basement and sawdust on the ground. There's music in the afternoon and smiles all around. There's bullets and sawdust and music and smiles. They will stay with you through all of your trials. Dirt bikes and coffee, whatever in your cup, that's all that you need to help lift you up. Like those bullets on that kitchen table, coffee in our cup. There's a dirt bike out in the garage, that's just where we grew up. There's chopped wood in the basement and sawdust on the ground. There's music in the afternoon and smiles all around. There's bullets and sawdust and music and smiles. They will stay with you through all of your trials. There's dirt bikes and coffee, whatever in your cup, and all that you need to help lift you up. Like those bullets on that kitchen table, coffee in our cup. There's a dirt bike out in the garage, that's just where we grew up. There's chopped wood in the basement and sawdust on the ground. There's music in the afternoon and smiles all around. There's music in the afternoon and smiles